Hello children, good morning, welcome to today's English class. Children, in the previous session we all learned the poem. What is the poem name? Yes, The Little Duckling. The Little Duckling. In this poem we have to learn some concept. Okay, so I will revise children. Okay, first we have to see the duckling. First, what is the seeing duckling first children? Yes, first duckling see the which one? Which bird? Yes, peacock. First duckling seeing first bird peacock. I want tail for the peacock. So I want to tail for the peacock. I want a beautiful tail too. So suddenly the duckling has a big beautiful tail too. As soon as to desire for anything. If you like desire as a plate of Pani Puri or gobi, you have to go run and take a plate, you eat fastly. So this is like is a duckling also want to pick a tail. And second time duckling seeing or which bird? Yes, eagle. Eagle no? Yes, the duckling seeing beautiful flamingo. Beautiful, the little duckling is the second time flamingo. First time peacock and the second time flamingo. What a beautiful legs. I want a beautiful legs too. Suddenly the little duckling has a long thin pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling is very pleased. See in the second stanza, suddenly the little duckling see the flamingo. Flamingo is a bird. Flamingo is a bird and it wants to the beautiful legs. Flamingo have a beautiful legs. Little duckling want that flamingo legs. After seeing the flamingo, the little duckling said, "Wow, what a beautiful legs! I want to beautiful legs too." Suddenly the duckling has a long thin pink legs. So the duckling is very pleased. The duckling is very pleased. Pleased means what children? Happy. Very happy. See you can imagine. So you can imagine. Now the little duckling has a beautiful tail like a peacock and legs like a flamingo. How it is look children? Yes, very nice. Now just you imagine. Now you have to imagine children. Next in third time duckling are seeing which bird? Eagle. See in this stanza, third stanza, here suddenly the little duckling seeing as a big brown wings like an eagle. Eagle fly very high. Eagle fly very high in the sky. So the little duckling want wings like an eagle. Now duckling has a big brown wings. Big brown wings. See, imagine children. Now again little duckling having peacock's tail. The little duckling have peacock tails and little flamingo pink legs and eagle brown wings. Okay, eagle brown wings. Then what happened in next stanza? The little duckling sees a cock. In the fourth time, duckling has seen which bird? Cock. Yes, what a beautiful hat. What a beautiful hat. I want a beautiful hat too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big red handsome hat. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling is very pleased. So in this stanza, the little duckling got that hat. Duckling has a big handsome hat. Big handsome hat. So this is a red hat for the hen. So the little duckling seeing this stanza wants to back a beautiful handsome which has cock in his head or using hat has is. Okay, this is a beautiful hat having which word? Cup. Yes, this is like a hat. Beautiful. Now, yes, suddenly that little duckling got that hat. Now, duckling has a big head and some hat. So, little duckling feel happy now. Next, what happened, children? Here, fourth time seeing the duckling for which bird? Cock. ಕಾಕನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಂಜವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಆಸೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ರೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್, ಓ ನನಗೂ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನನಗೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಂದು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಆವಾಗ ಓ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಕಾಕ್ದು ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ. ರೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್. ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, all the little ducklings friends swim in the river. The little duckling says, stop, wait for me, and he jumps into the water, but his peacock's tail is very heavy. His big brown wings is also very heavy. His long thin pink legs cannot swim. His handsome red hat is very heavy and he can't breathe. Glug, 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 glug. I want a little duckling's tail and a little duckling's legs and wings, and I don't want a hat. Suddenly the little duckling can swim, and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friends. So in this last stanza, see, in this stanza, what happened here? Have a glug glug. The little duckling friends are swimming in the river. In this stanza, the little duckling friends swimming in the river. ಅವರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರು, ನದಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ swim. Now, so he jumped in the water. What happens? With the peacock's tail, flamingo legs, eagle wings and cock's hat, cannot he swim? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಸ್, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಡಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ? ಎಸ್, ಪಿಕಾಕ್ ಟೇಲ್, ಫ್ಲೇಮಿಂಗೋ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಈಗಲ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ ಕಾಕ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆವಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದೇ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಮಿರರು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓಡಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. isn't it? Yes, so this is also same thing. Duckling have suffer. Duckling also have a suffering for these heavy things. ಆ ಹೆವಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯಿತು. ಎಸ್, he jumped into the water. What happens with peacock tail, flamingo legs, eagle wings and cock's hat? Can it swim? No. Can it swim, children? No. It cannot swim because it is already heavy. First of all, the duckling is very small. Duckling ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ small first of all. So this is all things have a very heavy. So this is the main problem for easy swimming for the water. So heavy, first of all, of duckling is a very small, and having all the things it's become very heavy. It's all the things have become a very heavy. He can't breathe. ಉಸಿರಾಡ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇವಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. and duckling is drawing in the water. Suddenly the duckling ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದು? ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಈಜಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ದ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಗೆ, ಓ ನನಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು, ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ದ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ and said, I don't want peacock tail, I don't want peacock tail, I don't want flamingo legs, eagle wings and hawk hats, I want a little duckling's tail. ನಾನು ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ಮೈ ಟೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಲ್ and little duckling wings, legs. Suddenly all real, and then duckling can swim and he can swim very well. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳು ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗು, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರಿವರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. To peacock has a long tail. See here children, see here peacock. This is a peacock. Children, this is a peacock has a long tail. That is a beautiful bird. That bird, God is given a beautiful tail. So peacock given a God for beautiful tail for that bird, and flamingo has a beautiful legs. This is also given for the God. This is God made for so many birds, so many animals also. Legs. That is a gift for flamingo. And for eagle, God is gift like a beautiful brown wings. God is given for beautiful wings. For the which bird? Eagle. It is like a fly in the sky. It fly in the sky very high. But for this little duckling, it is always swim in the water. ಆದರೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಲೈಕ್. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಗಾಡು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಗುಣಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ನೌ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಸಿ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಯುನಿಕ್. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯುನಿಕ್. ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ and special. Dear children, you are special in front of God's eyes. Okay, so don't change your desire. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಥರ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಹೊಸದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ. With what you want, children, having whatever you have, you satisfied. With that, whatever you have that is best for you, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. When you feel that you are the best, you always the best for all. Okay, I hope you understood this poem, children. Notes I will give you in the next class. Thank you, children. Once again, you also read in your house in this poem. Very beautiful poem. Once again, I will read, children. Listen. Whether there is a rain or not, I am always green. I never use a lipstick. My lips are red. I can speak like human beings. Who am? This is one of the riddles. Who am, children? Yes, this is one of the bird. This is a peacock. Sorry, parrot. Next, I am a bird, but I can't fly. I can swim. I live in the Antarctic. I am black and white in color. I lay a single egg in a season. Who am I? Yes, this is a, what is the bird? Yes, flamingo. Next, us move on to the poem. I will read the poem. Listen, children. The little duckling sees a peacock. What a beautiful tail! I want a beautiful tail too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big beautiful peacock's tail. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a flamingo. What a beautiful legs! I want beautiful legs too. Suddenly the little duckling has a long thin pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees an eagle. What a beautiful wings! I want beautiful wings too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big brown wings. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a cock. What a beautiful hat! I want a beautiful hat too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big red handsome hat. The little duckling is very pleased. All the little ducklings' friends swim in the river. The little duckling says, "Stop, wait for me." And it jumps into the water. But his peacock's tail is very heavy. His big brown wings are very heavy. His long thin pink legs cannot swim. His handsome red hat is very heavy. And he can't breathe. Glug, glug, glug. I want a little duckling's tail and a little duckling's legs and wings. And I don't want a hat. Suddenly the little duckling can swim and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friend. This is one of the beautiful poems. Once again, you also read one or two times. If any doubt, call me children. Okay? Thank you, children.